Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the speaker housing with the driver on your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. The tools that we'll need for this repair would be a 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver. We got a 1.5mm Flathead, some tweezers, we do have a Pry Tool, and a plastic spudger. For this specific repair you will need to unsolder the speaker wires. So I'll be using a little bit of Flux to do that. I do want to let you know that we do have these tools available on our website, as well as parts for these headphones if you're trying to do this repair yourself. And we do offer and provide a mail-in repair service. So if you want to send your Sennheisers in for a repair, you are more than willing to do that. Welcome to do that. Anyways, to replace the right speaker housing with the driver, we need to remove the ear pad. We're going to start off by using the metal pry tool just to get underneath between the plastic cover and the ear pad. We'll just pry it up. Once that is done, we can just pull that off, set it aside. So I've already previously done this, but you do want to remove this mesh piece using a flathead is the better option. There is a MS ribbon underneath here that you do want to remove. So with this flathead, just go ahead and slightly lift this up as you peel away at the glue just to get it to remove. Once you've done that, the next thing that you're going to do is, with our plastic spudger, we're going to come in underneath this MS mic ribbon, and we're going to try to peel it up without damaging it. If you're buying parts from us to replace the speaker, let's say you have no sound in your speaker, you will need to remove this off your old speaker housing and install it on one that we sell. Alright, now that I got that peeled up, I'll go ahead and remove the 4 screws holding down the speaker housing. Once that is done, with the flathead, right here where we have this tab, it has like a little lip. I'm just going to go underneath it and pry up. And then carefully, while lifting this up, don't rip it up because you'll cause some more unnecessary damage. I'm just going to move this aside, and with the plastic spudger, there is a little black tab that we will need to lift up. I'm just going to try my best to get this in camera view. There's this little tiny black tab right here where the ribbon is plugged in. We want to flip that tab up. Once this tab is flipped up, with the tweezers, I'm going to unplug this ribbon. And we do have one more tab. Once we flip that up, we should just be able to pull this ribbon out of there, like so. And now we just need to unsolder the speaker wire. Alright, once this is unsoldered, if you do purchase this part from us, this will be included with the speaker housing and the speaker driver. However, this ribbon right here will not be, so you will have to remove it from your old one and install it on the new one. To do this, because this ribbon is pretty delicate and we don't want to tear it, there is some rubber adhesive right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat it up a little bit. I'm just using a heat gun
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
I have it set to 200 degrees Celsius. Nothing too crazy, just enough to warm up the glue, just to soften it up. And then with the flathead, I'm just gonna pick away at the glue, trying not to damage the ribbon. I just want to do enough so that we could pull this through. And while it's still warm, you can just grab it, pull it straight. And that is how you successfully remove this ribbon. Now, when you get a new speaker housing with a driver, it's gonna look exactly how this one looks right now. So I'm just gonna show you the steps on how to assemble it. If yours has a little excess glue where the MS ribbon goes, just kind of clean it out beforehand. What I'm gonna do is feed one end through. As I feed it through, I'm going to align this and just push it back into place. Like so. So that's how it should look. And then we'll go ahead and solder the speaker wires back onto the solder points. That black tab that we flipped up to initially free the ribbon, once you plug the ribbon in, you want to flip that tab down. And we're going to do the same thing to the MS mic ribbon. Once it's plugged in, flip the tab down. And it's really difficult. It's tight. I can't really get you guys a camera shot, but you could give it a little tug to make sure that the ribbon is plugged in all the way. And when installing this, we're going to push the side down and in first, like so. Once that's in and flush, we could just push the rest of it down and secure the housing to the cup with the 4 screws that we removed. Once we got that secured, there is a little bit of stickiness still left after removing this, so I'm not too worried about applying any more adhesive. If you want, you can. Double-sided tape works great, or just some kind of tacky, sticky glue. You don't want to overdo it. Once this is installed in place for the ear pads, you just want to make sure that these tabs that we have, or the openings, line up with the tabs on the housing. Once we got those lined up, just simply push down. You'll hear it click into place. Give the ear pads a tug. They're on there secure. And that is how you replace the speaker housing with the driver on your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. Once again, the tools I used to do this repair was the tweezers. We got the metal pry tool and a plastic spudger, as well as a 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver and a 1.5mm flathead. All these tools will be down in the description below. And once again, we do offer and provide a mail-in repair service. So if you want to send your headphones in for a repair and have us fix them for you, you are more than welcome to do that. Without further ado, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.